How to turn off mature filter on Crunchyroll. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn off mature filter on Crunchyroll. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Crunchyroll offers a mature content filter to restrict or allow mature content based on your preference. So go ahead and open the Crunchyroll application on your device and make sure you are logged in. And if not, then go ahead and log yourself in. Now, tap on the account option from the bottom right of your screen, and in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and under the App Experience tab, you will see the Show Mature Content option. Toggle on or toggle off the button according to your preference. After adjusting the mature content filter settings, you can get back and start watching your favorite show. So this is how you can turn off mature filter on Crunchyroll. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.